So how you going, guys? We've just been doing, it's Sunday night, doing a bit of work to the car. Obviously we don't get much time on the weekends, families and all, but we've just buttoned up a few things. So we have done the light covers, so put a bit of bog on yesterday, sanded it down today, scuffed up the whole bonnet. Going tomorrow to get some edge primer, some high fill. We're going to hit the bonnet and sand it down during the week. We've also looked at a few little things with the way the throttle linkages have been working on the aftermarket throttle body that we got and the Holly bracket. So both billet items don't quite work together. The ProFlow one's got some really nice hardware on it, but they've got like really high heads, so we've had to like file down some space, modify some of the other stuff so that it works nicely with the Mazda setup in terms of cable ends. But other than that, it's pretty good. So there's some video of that, and yeah, so we've had a look over it. We've got some fuel lines and that we've got to do, so we're going to go shopping at Goldie's tomorrow, order some stuff, pick up some more fittings and whatnot, and off to the paint shop. Got to go to J-Car, get some more covers for the wires, but other than that, we should actually have a lot of stuff done by next weekend, so we might actually get started, or try to start it. So yeah, big thumbs up. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll catch you next time.
It's got these little bits of kneaded that we use to hold them on. So grind them down smooth, and I'll probably put some bog or fiberglass bog in there and make it look nice. Should look sweet when it's done.
I think, yeah.
Sounds good.
Doesn't fit up too bad. It's lifted a bit on the corners, but once we get under speed, it should be alright. Push that down a little bit. Who knows, over time they might bend up a bit anyway. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. It'll look even better once it's all black. So giving these a quick hit, just got most of the bog off. I'm trying to put a little ridge around the outside of the lights there because they're not perfect, but they'll be good enough. There's a few spots that need some spot putty, but we'll do that tomorrow. I thought I had some edge primer to do these few little edges here that are exposed. And it turns out, after a couple of years in the 40 and 50 degree heat in the shed, they don't work real well. So I'll go to the shop tomorrow, pick up some extra primer and some high fill, and just give them a quick hit. Been to the shop, ordered some stuff online as well, and all my goodies have turned up. So been to J-Car, got some stuff to cover the wires in, ordered some special plugs from Element 14 that plug into the back of the LT16 so that I can attach the CAN bus. Been to the paint shop, heaps of paint, gonna put some primer filler to do the bonnet with, etch primer, basically some satin black paint for the bonnet eventually when we get it all nice, and some blade putty to fill in a few little imperfections. And been over to Golby's, get a few more things, some fuel line to plumb in the 044 turbo beanie, turbo guard, heap of fuel fittings, bracket to mount it underneath the car, and a check valve for the 044. So I'm going to go ahead and mount up all the fuel stuff today, just basically so we can prime the mechanical pump with this. It's just going to be on a switch to start off with, see what we do after that. And I'm going to go on and finish off our wiring, hopefully get it all powered up so I can check to make sure that it's working okay. And then once that's all cool, paint and panel, yippee.